Hi family, welcome and welcome back to my channel. I'm Glory. In today's video is banana peel hair mask. We are going to give it a try to see what this will do to our natural hair, and the result was mind-blowing. So if you want to know how it works, keep watching. So first, this is my carrier oil. I'll be using it for the banana hair mask, and my coconut oil I'll use it for the banana hair mask too. So as you can see beside, I have two sizable banana. This is a cup of water to help for blending, and this is my cup of blender for the blending process. As you can see, a bowl of water there is to use and wash the banana peel. So the next thing is to cut out the head of the banana and the tail. They are not needed, so cut it out and start peeling your banana peel. After peel the banana, you put the peel in the bowl of water to wash out any dirt in the banana peel, because it's necessary to wash it out. You see the dirty that come out from this banana peel, so when you are doing yours, make sure that you wash the peel. Please, if my voice is not sounding well, please, I'm not too strong, so please manage my voice, please. And please watch this video to the end. Don't miss any part of this video, so you don't miss any important part of this video, okay? So after then, I'll use another bowl, another plate to put my banana beside. So do you see the banana peel? One ripe very well, one did not ripe very well, but it's fine. If you have overripe banana, it's perfect in this recipe. It's very perfect. So my banana is that overripe, much like that. So wash it thoroughly, wash the peel thoroughly. It's very necessary, very necessary. You see the dates. Do you see the date of my water? The water is very dirty. So after then, I'll grab my blender cup and start dicing the banana peel. Dice it very tiny. It depends on your blender. My blender is not that too powerful, so I try to dice it as tiny as I can. But see it, I mess up. I will tell you, see what happened. I use a lot of water to blend this, which is very wrong. Please don't do the same mistake I made. My blender did not do well, and I did not put much oil on this hair mask. So I put 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. After I put 1 tablespoon of my coconut oil, carrier oil, I put either 3 or 2 tablespoons of my carrier oil. After adding the carrier oil, the next, I top a little water. So to me, I would say don't use water. If you want to use water, just use very tiny. This water that I put in this video is not the amount of water I add. In the process of blending this thing, it was difficult to blend. My blender is not that powerful. It was difficult for me to blend, so I add more water, which is made the mask did not come out well. So please, I would not like you to make that the same mistake that I made. Make sure that you add much carrier oil. Add carrier oil than water, okay? So after blending the peel, I will now I will dice the banana itself and blend also. And now, do you know what happened? NEPA took lights, and I wait a little whether they will bring back the lights. No way. So I need to come to my backyard to start filming this video. As you can see, the banana peel have already started changing. The banana that I blend with the peel have already started changing color a little, because I waste time before I start straining it out. I'm waiting for NEPA to bring their light, but fortunately they not bring their lights. So use your cheap cloth or whatsoever you have to strain out the peel. You see what happened here. So do you see what I'm saying? Do you see there is water that is coming out from this thing? The thing have already spilled out because it's difficult to come out. So what do you know what happened? I did not strain it again. I just pour everything there together. So please don't do the same mistake that I made, okay? So after then, I will start applying it on my hair. But see, the result come out well. I will not lie to you, it come out well. But I will not like you to make this mistake that I make. Make sure that I blend my own with a lot of oil, you understand, with less water, I know that the result will come out more great than this, okay? So I'll start applying it to my hair. when I start applying to my hair, but applying it on your clean hair, please make sure that your hair is clean. My hair is fresh wash hair, okay? So I'll now massage it on my hair very well. The result I was gotten at this point was very nice. My hair has started getting softer, and also the thing even defined my coil. So if you are new in this channel, if you today is your first time stopping by in this channel, welcome. Thank you for stopping by to watch my video. In this channel is all about how to grow your natural hair without breaking the bank. So please don't make it your last, okay? Please subscribe to this channel, turn on the post notification button so that you'll be the first to notify whenever I upload a new video. Subscribers, I love you guys so much. Thank you for always come back to watch my videos. You guys are so amazing. Thank you for your support. Thank you so much. I do not take you on granted. Please give this video a thumbs up, okay, so that to help YouTube to push this content like to people that are searching similar content like this. Please, it will help the channel to grow. Thank you so much for doing that. And if you have any question further, please comment down below. I will glad to answer your questions. Thank you so much. So I will use this thing to hydrate my hair, all over my hair very well. Banana peel is amazing. You can never go wrong with this hair mask. Honestly speaking, if you do it correctly, you will love the results. What I mean by correctly, that is, don't do mistake, the same mistake I made by adding much water. If you add less water and much oil, you will have the great result than the way my hair was. Okay, so this banana peel was very nice. I don't know that you can use banana peel to do hair mask, and the result was very nice. I will telling you the benefit of this later the video, the benefit of this banana peel in your natural hair. Please let me know whether you have tried this before or you have not tried it before. After watching this video, I'm not sure that you will ever throw away your banana peel. Make use of your banana peel. There's another way you can make use of your banana peel. In your skin, you can make use of your banana peel. Also face mask, you can make banana peel as your facial mask. And also you can make banana peel as water. Yes, you can use banana peel, soak it. Can cut out your banana peel, soak it for 2 days or 1 day, and extract the water, be spraying it on your hair. It also give you a good result. So there's many ways you can use banana peel. Banana peel is very beneficial in our hair. It's not only banana itself is beneficial in our hair, banana peel is also beneficial in our hair. Please keep watching. I will be right back. Like I always said, make sure whatever you're applying your hair, make sure that you apply your edges. So after then, I'll start massaging my scalp. I'm trying to show you how the water was dripping all over my hand and my body. So I will massage my scalp. Massage your scalp. Massaging is very important, okay? Whatever you apply on your hair, make sure that you massage your scalp. It will help the product to penetrate very well on your scalp, and also make your hair get more thicker, and also promote healthy hair growth. So massaging is very necessary. Don't miss to massage your scalp, whatever you apply on your hair. So see how my hair was. My hair has super hydrated. Honestly, this hair mask is a must try. You will love the results. Do you see how my hair was? My hair was super healthier. So after now, I will use my my nylon to cover my hair to attract some heat, so that I've not yet detangle my hair yet. I like leaving my mask after the hour have over. I will now detangle my hair. So at this point, I will leave it for 1 hour and 30 minutes. I'm still waiting for NEPA to bring the lights. So I'll cover it up and leave it for 1 hour and 30 minutes. So if you have heat cap, you can use heat cap. I don't know why NEPA are wickeding me today. Up to this point, they have not still bring light. Please pardon me. Manage the background, please. I'm in my house backyard filming this video. Please, I'm very sorry for that. I cannot on gen. I don't know how to on gen. Please, if anyone like me, let me know in comment section, please. So at this point, after the 1 hour and 30 minutes, it's time to detangle my hair. You will see how my hair is super soft now. I like detangling my hair after applying my mask and leave it for any time I want the hair mask to stay on my hair, because I find it out that is when the product have worked very well for my hair, and it will be more easier to detangle the hair than applying the product immediately and start detangling your hair. I don't know for you, but for me, I like detangling my hair when my product have penetrate very well on my hair, and it will be more easier and less breakage to me. So try this technique, you love it. If you have not tried this technique, try it. It will help you a lot to less breakage. So do you see how my hair is easy to comb now? My hair is super soft because the product have really penetrate very well and doing intense, so that my hair it have got very soft. This banana peel is a must try, honest speaking. So after the tangle the hair now, I will see the little shade that I got. After the tangle the hair now, I will go and wash my hair out, and I will be right back. Finally, they have brought the lights back. Honestly, I don't know that banana peel can do this to my natural hair. Unbelievable. So happy that I tried this hair mask. Leave my hair super shiny, hydrated, moisturize, straighten my hair. See how my hair is super strong and super moisturized. Try this recipe, you will love it. This hair mask is a must try. So let me know, comment down below. Let me know whether you'll be trying it on your natural hair or even on your lilas hair. It's not only natural hair or lilas hair. Let me know whether you'll be trying it. Comment down below. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. My returning subscriber, I love you guys so much. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. This will be closing today's video. If you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe to this girl. Help this girl to grow the channel. Help your girl to grow the channel by subscribing, like the video, share the video, so it will help YouTube to push the video to more people that are searching similar content like this. So that is it for today's video. Love you guys. See you in my next video. Bye.